Wow, Domino's has gone all woke. Look at their Domino's pizza box now. Got no writing on it. The box that I used to be able to write on the end with a Sharpie, what was in the box, when I'd order a few different ones of these, you can't write on the box anymore on the end. Doesn't have a space to write what's in the box anymore. The boxes look so, all I can call it is woke nothingness. They got no fun on the boxes anymore. Domino's went zero fun. You think it looks good, Domino's? I don't. You gotta fire your designer. These boxes absolutely have no pizzazz to them at all. They are dull as heck. Kind of like that one Cracker Barrel company that went all woke with the bland design. He must have hired the same guy. Cracker Barrel Domino's. Woke 101. You can't tell me these boxes are better. Doesn't even... Ami? What the heck? Will be M. Yeah, you gotta fire your designer. Absolutely sucks. Garbage design. Alright, thanks for watching. Click like on the video, subscribe. Domino's dullness.